To connect your Namecheap domain to InfinityFree, follow these steps. Sign up for InfinityFree. If you haven't already, create an account on InfinityFree. Add your domain. Once logged in, go to the InfinityFree control panel. Click on Add Admin and enter your Namecheap domain name. Choose to use your own domain instead of a subdomain. Get name server information. InfinityFree will provide you with their name servers. Take note of these. Log into Namecheap. Go to the Namecheap website and sign into your account. Access domain list. Click on domain list and find the domain you want to connect. Manage domain. Click the Manage button next to your domain. Change name servers. In the name servers section, select custom DNS and enter the InfinityFree name servers you noted earlier. Save changes. Click the green checkmark to save your new name server settings. Wait for propagation. It may take up to 48 hours for the changes to propagate. Once complete, your Namecheap domain will be connected to your InfinityFree hosting account.